Jai Shri Krishna. Hi and hello guys. Hope you all are fine. I am Suravi Surya of Kola Perumal Chetty Vaishnav Senior Secondary School. This video is based on Fit India movement. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation, everyone in the world has been more engaged with their computers and other tech gadgets. Being at home, their only source of communication with the outer world is through computers and tech gadgets. For our students, our traditional way of attending schools for learning new things have been changed by attending virtual meetings for learning new things. When everything in the world has become tech-based, the few things that are not changed are our health, our stress, our fitness, our food we eat or the air we breathe. Rather than remaining the same, they are going worse in tech improvement. Our food habits have changed, our health maintenance have changed, many things have changed. Rather than using the word change, we can use the word worsen. It is our duty to take care of ourselves. It is not bad to spend some time for our good, isn't it? Now, I may say some tips we can follow to maintain our health. The thing that our predecessors used, the thing that connects all the three states of life, the supreme thing is yoga. It connects all the three states, that is physical state, mental state with spiritual state of human beings. Practice yoga daily, it is more than enough to be well in our health for our lifetime. Let's begin with our eye exercise. In yoga, we will practice it with the name Trataka. To make our eyes feel good, we can't do eye massage by ourselves daily and it is little risky too. We can make the nerves of eye feel good without even touching it by this Tritaka. It is done by catching our fist together and stretching our elbow straight and waving it slowly towards left and right, up and down and in a crossway manner, with the eyes only concentrating on the fist of us. Finally, it is done with making our elbows straight with the fist bonded with each other and stretching the elbows to and fro. Be cautious of never taking our eyes from the fist. This is a very needed exercise because our eyes are the one that get strained a lot while using the tech gadgets. Now we will see some postures that we can follow to get rid of the back pain that we suffer from while attending the meetings. We can do Bhujangasana, Adho Mukhasana, Sedu Bandhasana, Apanasana and Shashangasana. Bhujangasana, also called as Cobra pose, stretches and strengthens the spinal cord. Adho Mukhasana improves your back and body postures. These two postures also strengthen our arms. Sedu Bandhasana stretches the chest, neck and spine. It stimulates thyroid and lungs too. It also calms brain and helps get rid of stress and depression also. Sashangasana. This posture flexes the spine and also helps in getting rid of the stress and calms our brain. Even the neck has great tension in attending meeting and Viparita Karani acts good to reduce the pain on neck. These postures also help in improving digestion and thus gives a healthy body. Now we will see how to do Surya Namaskar. The Surya Namaskar postures must be done with proper inhalation and exhalation. And telling the slokas assigned for every posture is even better at spiritual level. Prana Namaskar. Hasta Uttasana. Hasta Padasana. Ashwasanjalasana, Chaturanga Dandasana, Adho Mukasana, Ashtanga Namaskaram, Bhujangasana, Ashwasanjalasana, Hastapadasana, Hasta Utsasana, Prana Namaskaram. Breathing exercise is must in yoga and is called pranayama. Nadi Shuddhi in pranayama has so many benefits. It is just alternate nostril breathing called with the name Nadi Shuddhi. We must keep Nasika Mudra while practicing Nadi Shuddhi. Nasika Mudra is a palm with index and middle finger folded down. With the right nostril closed with the thumb finger, we must breathe with the left nostril, stay for some time and then release it. Same way, with the left nostril closed with the ring finger, we must breathe with the right nostril, stay for some time and then release it. Continue it for 12 times for each nostril of the nose. At last, Savasana is the must. It is just lying on the ground facing upward and relaxing ourselves. We must practice Savasana at the end, concentrating in our breathing, feeling the energy that we attain from the nature. So guys, thanks for watching this video till the end. Practicing this yoga posture daily will definitely give us a healthy body. And once again, thank you and bye bye.